Good morning, students. So today we'll see the definition of the electrostatic potential and electrostatic potential difference. So first of all, I will define the definition, then I'll explain it. Work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a certain point in an electric field without acceleration is called electrostatic potential of that point. So therefore, electrostatic potential is given by the work done in bringing a unit positive charge. That is, here we will take the charge as Q naught. So therefore, V equal to W upon Q naught. Okay. So the definition of the electrostatic potential is the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a certain point, wherever it may be, A, B, anything it may be. So that work done is done by against the, suppose there is another charge here plus Q. So the unit positive charge has to do certain work to come to a certain point. So that is slowly, it should be moving very slowly. So when it is moving slowly, then it means that it is moving without acceleration. This is very, very important. You have to say it without acceleration. That is known as the electrostatic potential of that point charge. Okay. So therefore, it is a scalar quantity. So you know that potential energy is a scalar quantity. Therefore, here also potential is taken as a scalar quantity. Then what will be the SI unit here? So here it is taken as the SI unit of the potential is volt, or you can tell it as joule per coulomb. Okay. So this is the definition for electrostatic potential. What is the difference is, it is brought from the charge, unit positive charge is brought from infinity to a certain point. Okay. Then the next one is the electrostatic potential difference. So let us see what is electrostatic potential difference. So here let us consider 2 points, A and B. Suppose a point charge is at B and it should be moved from B to A. So the charge Q naught itself has to do certain work. Therefore, we can define it as it is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from a point A to point B without acceleration. Therefore, here as there are 2 points, so there will be as there is a difference here, so we will take it as delta V. So delta V is equal to WAB, okay, and divided by Q naught. So this is the equation. So delta V is nothing but it is VA or VB minus VA. Okay. Then what is the dimensional formula? ml square t raised to minus 2 by AT. That will be ml square t raised to minus 3 into A raised to minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for the electrostatic potential difference.